So as many of you guys know, I've had a lot of life changes so far in 2021. Let's go down the list together. I got married at the start of the year, married my best friend Mara, you guys know who she is. Later on had a baby, Rio, my first son. Very awesome kid so far, losing a lot of sleep. I probably have bags under my eyes right now. Another big life change though. And then probably the blessing in disguise, we ended up selling the entire sneaker collection, something I've been working on for 5 years. Sold all of it because, number 4, we bought a house this year. And dude, that is just so many things that happen. It's literally been like probably the craziest year of my life so far. And I mean, it's just not slowing down at all. It was a lot. And through all of that, man, I've realized one important thing. I gotta change my style up. Now enter the dad shoe. Like I just said, I am a dad now. I don't really go out too much because I gotta stay with the kid and stuff, obviously, and because of like the pandemic and things. So I haven't had a chance to wear hype sneakers, but even when I do go outside, comfort for me is so much more important than style at this point because I gotta like carry strollers, I gotta carry diaper bags, gotta carry Rio, gotta do all of these things. That just don't get me started, it gets crazy. So anyway, I feel like I needed to revamp my style, plus the colors and stuff were just too nuts in the old sneaker collection. We need something new. And there's no better place to overhaul your sneaker collection or your style for that matter than at Farfetch, the sponsor of today's video. And now Farfetch is a company that I've been messing with for a long time, guys. If you guys have not heard of Farfetch before, they are a super dope company, man. Because Farfetch is the premier shopping destination that connects 3,000 businesses around the world to you guys over your computer. And as I said, I've been using Farfetch for a couple of years, so I can truly attest to this. They have some of the best hype clothing on the market and hype accessories, but not only that, they also have what you and me love most, sneakers. And just a little while back, Farfetch partnered up with one of the biggest sneaker brands in the market, Stadium Goods. So you guys know every sneaker on there is authentic, hard to find stuff on Farfetch. That partnership has been huge, and I love seeing all the sneakers on there now. Literally one of the biggest collections you'll find on the internet. And probably the best part about all of this is because Farfetch supports the channel, guys, they actually are hooking up the Untitled Honda with a great discount today. So if you guys use the code UH10YT, you guys will actually get 10% off your entire order. So that means whatever you guys want to cop, 10% off. And trust me, I've stressed this so many times, but this is such a huge discount. Like after sneakers are like dropped and stuff and the resale prices go crazy, you never see discounts for these shoes anymore. Like that does not happen. Nobody ever discounts shoes that are brand new, hyped. It just doesn't happen. So when you guys are able to take advantage of deals like this, please do it, man. I have linked everything in the description below, but don't forget to use that code 10% off. That's huge. Anyway, let's get into this now. We can start off with the smaller box. I am very excited. The shoes that I copped, you guys are gonna see them. I'm not sure if you're gonna think they're my style, but man, these are things that I've been looking at for a long time. And the shoe that we have, oh man, you guys are gonna roast me for this. We have a Yeezy 700 box, and see, I'm already stuttering because I know how bad you guys are gonna get me in the comments. Size 10.5, and it's a shoe I've cranked on very, very hard in the past. Like just 3 years ago, I think I made a whole video smashing this shoe. And the man who created these shoes, Kanye West, this is a pair of the Yeezy 700 Wave Runners. Now, before you guys bash me too hard on this, I gotta say, style changes, your passions change, like just your like idea of everything changes like over time, and things that you thought were like not very hype or not very like good looking and stuff, for whatever reason, those things can change in your mind, and there's nothing wrong with that, you know. Like I feel like it's super like tough to be like only Nike or only Adidas, you know, it's too rigid. Like you can only like one style of thing your whole life. I don't believe in that. I don't subscribe to that. I think that my own personal taste change all the time, and I will eat my words on this. I used to think that the shoe was super ugly. Now I think it's pretty dope. I really wanted this pair for like the last couple months and finally copped it on Farfetch. It's dope. And as I mentioned, even though we did cop it from Farfetch, it is in collaboration with Stadium Goods, which you guys can see over there. So you guys know it is authentic. You're not copying fake shoes, which is great. This one, you guys have seen this a million times already. I'll go over it really quick. Wave Runner was the original 700 colorway, dude. There's been so many colorways since then, but I feel like this one is the best one. And I do like that it is on like a neutral gray canvas, so I think that's pretty cool. And underneath, as you guys can see, they do have like boost material, so you guys know it is a comfortable sneaker. And this is probably gonna be an everyday shoe for me now, and that is okay. I was honestly very hesitant about buying this one just because I didn't want to get roasted. But I hope you guys understand where I'm coming from. Like, you can say like you don't like something one day, and then eventually, like a couple years down the road, if you change your mind on it, that is not a bad thing to do. All right, now we can open this other box, and I believe that this has all the other shoes that we did cop from Farfetch. Throw all of these on the side. We can see this one next, which obviously this shoe is not for me. As my life changes and my style and stuff changes too, I realized like I don't really want to spend all of my money and stuff on me. I'd rather buy things for my family. So this one, it's a future shoe for Rio. And I really wanted to give him a yellow sneaker, so I ended up copying him a Dunk High Maze. And this is actually pretty big, so he's not gonna be able to wear this for a while, but I mean, probably by the time he can wear this will be like, what, 5-6 years down the road. These shoes might be going for triple the price, quadruple maybe, so you never know. I do want to cop these and store them for him, so when he is able to wear them, he's ready to go with like his own hype shoes. And as you guys know, I love yellow. Hopefully he likes yellow too. These things are fire to me. Kid shoes are usually made out of different materials and stuff, and they're not as high quality, but still, this one looks pretty solid. Brand new and ready to go for whenever Rio is hitting school, so that will be an on feet for him soon. And I really hope he does end up liking sneakers, guys, because I've been stocking up on a lot of shoes for him. I think you guys saw a previous video where we showed his sneaker collection. His sneaker collection is way crazier than mine, and it would be such a bummer if he doesn't like wearing shoes and we have all these shoes. Like, that would be the worst. So hopefully, Rio, if you do watch this video down the line, I bought you this. Hope you like it, man. We got 2 shoes left. The last one that I'll show you guys is the most hype one for sure. But I want to show you this one first because this is one that I have not seen in person before either. Jordan 1 box in a red box, and this one is a size 10.5. Oh my gosh, dude. This is so... How did I sleep on this one so hard? Maybe you guys have seen this before, like on a different video and stuff, but this thing is so immaculate. Like the 85 neutral grays, these came out I think last year, and it is a throwback to the original 85s that dropped in 1985, so you guys can't see, it comes with like this unique tag and stuff. This is what used to come in the shoe boxes back, I guess, in 1985, so that's cool. And just the color blocking works really well on this, man. One of the other things that I've noticed, like, you know, as I'm like getting older and stuff too and changing my style, is that I do like more like not as flamboyant colors. So things like this, like neutral grays, whites, black shoes, things that don't really stand out so much, I feel like those are kind of where I'm resonating my style to recently. It's more subtle, it's not as like vibrant, and I think for me right now where I am in my life, that's kind of like the look that I want to go for. More professional looking, more toned down, so that's why I copped this one. Now the last shoe of this box, guys, this is one that I have wanted for forever, and I never pulled the trigger, but I did it, and boom, over the top, New Balance. I don't think I've ever purchased a New Balance pair for myself before. So we'll flip this open. This is the one, man. Oh my gosh. So first off, New Balance is awesome. I did not realize like New Balance quality of shoes is so insane. Like even for like there's just standard stuff, they put a lot of work into like the look of the shoe, the materials used, the quality control, everything about New Balance is pretty solid. It's maybe not as hype as Adidas, maybe not as hype as Nike, but dude, they put in the work, and it pays off when they do collaborations like this. So this is the Jound collab with New Balance on the 992 model, made in the USA. I've eyed this one like from the side for such a long time because it's just a really crazy sneaker, and I'll show you guys the details because the details is really what makes it go hard. Now if you guys have not heard of Jound before, you guys can't see on the back, that's their logo, Jound. They're a Montreal based like creative design studio, so they put a lot of work into like the textures and stuff on this one as well. It is on the 992 New Balance model, but really I don't know if this camera can even show it, but look at the just appreciation to materials used, the tightness of how everything is looking, and just overall like color scheme and stuff, guys. Like this shoe is crazy. It also comes with the made in USA over here, so you guys can see that it is brand new. Dude, I don't know, I just don't know how to explain it. I know some of you guys are looking at it and they're just like, this is a brown shoe, nothing going on over here. But I don't know, just everything kind of works for me. That like faded vintage look on the heel, the browns up here just matching so well. There's just so much things going on here and I just love it so much. I don't know, for the guys that have been around for a long time, OGs, could you have seen me wearing this shoe like 3 or 4 years ago? Probably not, but nowadays, this is the kind of stuff I'm going after. This is things that I really like. I also want to cop the mossy green ones, I think, eventually. It's also a Jound collab. But yeah, for now, we just got this like gray or brown, whatever it's called. This might be my favorite sneaker in my collection right now. Not gonna lie, this thing is fire. Can't wait to put it on feet. So that is that for this sneaker haul. Very different than what you're used to seeing on here. Usually we see a bunch of like hype shoes, like $1,000 shoes, like $2,000 shoes. I just don't see it anymore. Like I don't care to wear like super expensive things. I just want to wear stuff that are functional, look good, and are #1 comfortable. That's the way my style is going now, and I want you guys to join the ride with me for that. Like as life changes, my sneaker style changes, and hopefully your guys' style changes as well. Like if we stay with the same style for 10 years straight, that's kind of crazy, but I feel like it's cool to like mix it up, try out new things, and just see how we can grow as people and individuals and as sneakerhead. Anyway, like I said, that is it for this video. Again, shout out to Farfetch for sponsoring all of this and for providing all of these dope shoes in the video. Don't forget to use that code. This is huge. You guys want to use your discount code so you guys can get the best price possible for sneakers. Use that code, check it out. Don't forget, it's linked in the description. There's so many great sneakers on there and a bunch of different styles as well. So check that out, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!